What's up, guys? In this lesson we're going to be learning how to make a simple app. Basically what this app is going to do, it's just going to change the color of the background of the screen by clicking a button. So first step is to go on Xcode and click on New Project, and then we're going to click on Single App View, and then next we're going to name it Change Background Color. And we're going to create. So first we're going to go to the view controller. This is basically where all the code goes for the app. You can make several of these view controller files, but this is just a basic outline of what it looks like, and this is basically where the actual programming goes in the app. And then we're going to take a look at main storyboard. This is basically like the visualization of the app, and where you could like navigate through the view controllers and create buttons and label stuff and just like basically design your app how you want it to look. This is just to give you like a visualization. Theoretically, you could do it all through coding in the view controllers in the files. However, the storyboard makes it a lot easier to visualize it and see what you're actually doing. So first step is we're going to create a button. Let's click this to hide, to make more space. We're going to click on this, which is the library, and we're going to search up button. Then we're going to click on it and drag it to the center of the screen, and we're going to leave that button there. If you want, you can make it a little bigger. We could change the color of the button by hitting this, the element inspector or attributes inspector, and then text color. Let's change it to black, and then you could change the background down here. Let's change it to green. Okay, so here we have it. Let's balance it out a little. Okay, next we're going to click on this, which splits the screen, so you could take a look at the view controller and the storyboard at the same time. You're going to hit Control key on your keyboard and click on this at the same time, and then drag over here, and you're going to want to place it right in the middle of these two brackets. And you're going to let go. Make sure this is action, and name this Change Color. So that's going to be the name of the IBA action function, or IB action function of your button. So basically whenever you click this button, you're going to activate this function, which inside here you would make some code in order to tell it what to do. So now we're going to click on this again. This basically puts it back to the standard editor, just one screen. And we're going to click on view controller, and in here we're going to make all the code in order to change the background color to whatever we want it to be. So we're going to make it red and blue. So we're going to make a variable, Boolean variable called isBlue equal to true. And under here we're going to make an if statement. If is blue. This is basically saying if this is true, which it is, then this will happen. We're going to type view, which refers to our main storyboard view controller, view dot background color, and then we're going to equal that to if it's blue, we're going to change it to red. So we're going to be UI color dot red, and then we're going to change this variable is blue equal to false, because it's not true anymore. So that's what goes in our if statement. And now we're going to make an else, which is basically the opposite of the if in the if statement. And we're going to copy and paste this and place it right under. Except we're going to change this to blue and this to true. So now basically what's happening is when you click on the button, if it is blue, if is blue is true, it's going to change it to red, and it's going to make is blue false because it's not blue anymore. But if is blue is false already, it's going to change it back to blue, and it's going to change is blue to true. So that's pretty much it. What we've done is we've created a button in the main storyboard on the view controller screen. We've linked that button to a function here called change color, and in that change color we have an if statement that makes the button change colors when you click on it. So now we're gonna hit run. We're gonna hit whatever view you want. We could do let's do iPhone 8, and we hit play, which runs the app, and it's loading here. It's doing all the tasks, building all the tasks. And here we have the app. So as you can see, the button came out pretty nice. It's green and with black letters. And now when we click the button, it should change it to red. And then if we click it again, blue, back and forth, back and forth. So there we have it. We have our first simple app, and it basically just changes the background. It's a super simple app, but it's pretty cool because it just shows you how much control you have over the developing these apps. So thanks for joining me in this lesson, and I hope to see you in the next one.